In 2010, government launched a modern fish processing plant at Majanji landing site in Busia district. The 3 billion shilling project was intended to improve the quality and add value to the hundreds of tons of fish captured from Lake Victoria. According to the locals, they had begun enjoying the benefits of the plant, which had created many more jobs and improved livelihoods.
Our resources were being taken to Lumino, and our privileges of that such a smoked fish was being carried to Mbale, Tororo, Jinja, and it made Busia also to boost up in the fresh fish that was landing from here.
This did not last long, since the fish processing plant was in operation for only 3 years and closed abruptly with no explanation given to the beneficiaries. And now, 9 years since the plant was closed, this is how the once vibrant Majanji fish landing site looks like, with a ghost town lined with dilapidated buildings. The fish processing plant is also in a sorry state with no equipment functional.
They constructed us a facility which is just redundant. It is not functioning. We don't know why.
Now instead, rats and the bats are the ones who sleeping there.
The locals have lost hope and feel nostalgic of the short time the plant was in operation.
Twali tuloza nti government esimbye ekizimbe a factory egenda kuyamba ki abantu baki aba Uganda okusinzirira ddala Busia.
Others say that it's not too late for the government to revive the fish processing plant.
And we feel if government has to equip us with the properties to the fishmongers and fish traders, then automatically we shall grow up, because this modern fish landing is now just there as a statute. We want it to be operational.
I may appeal to the government. Since you came here, I know they will understand what is happening in Majanji and they will hear our voice. Let them come up and help our fishermen.
NTV reached out to Busia district authorities, but they declined to comment on the matter. However, sources say that the plant was closed due to illegal operations by the fishermen and business people. It's not yet clear whether the plant will resume operation or the 3 billion shilling investment will go to waste.